So talk about your Hellcat, your Dodge Hellcat.
Oh, yeah. I wanted that car forever. My favorite car is the 1970 Challenger, and I contemplated building one, and I started looking at all this stuff, and I'm like, if I got this chassis and this and this and this and made all this modern stuff, if I did all the work, I'm like, I'm at $100,000. So if you say 100, it's more than 100, right?
150.
He probably just keeps going because you forget, oh, I need fittings and I need bolts and I need tires, and you forget all these things. Now, I haven't had any problems except for one. Well, I have a couple problems, but this one was crazy. They send me a recall, and it's something to do with the cruise control, and it's just simply a computer update.
Okay. But
it tells you in red like what will happen, what potentially could happen to you, and it says potentially the throttle, you have the cruise control on, it can just start accelerating by itself, and it says like what could you do in that situation, and it says either shut off the ignition or throw it in neutral. Well, can you imagine when you over rev the motor, like if you did dump it into neutral, the thing just revs all the way up to the limiter. I mean, that can't be good. So it was painless. I took it in. I mean, the dealership was awesome, you know what I mean? And they just, I dropped off in the morning. A guy called me back by noon, and he said, hey, it's done. It was just a computer thing. And
was the second one in the door?
The one I don't like about the door is when you get the car up around 140, 150 miles an hour. The first time this happened to me, I heard this pop, and I thought, crap, I lost a tire, but I'm like, I'm still good, And then I'm settling down, like, okay, so I got in it again, a pop. Like, what is that? And I still couldn't figure out what it was, and so I tried it on another day when it was darker outside, and the windows are tinted in it, and what I realized is the passenger side window popped out. So, you have this high pressure coming over the windshield and coming around the car, so it creates a low pressure on the sides. Mm-hmm. And the windows are frameless, right? So they're frameless windows, so the window go like this, it'll pop out. It'll suck the window out. So then I started looking, how can I fix this? How can I fix this? And a friend of mine runs a body shop up the street, and he had a Challenger. I think now he has a Hellcat that's like mine. And he was telling me we got to adjust the doors. Bring the doors in. I'm like, okay. So I looked at the strikes. You can't move the strikes. They're welded plates, so I couldn't do that. So then I started, like everybody that doesn't know anything, I go on the internet and looked at the, with the forum and trying to figure out if
Did you find anything?
I did. The one guy says, well, if you're say USA, if you're, what?
Is it a knock on the door?
No.
Oh.
If you're say USA upside down or something, or right side up, then flip them upside down. And I took them off and I looked at them and I go, this thing is exactly symmetrical. Like, if it's upside down, right, it's symmetrical. But I flipped them anyways.
Did it fix it?
Didn't do anything. The door still sat. So the door's kind of tipped in at the bottom by the rocker and kind of tipped out a little bit. If you look at the side of the car, it looks okay, but you could see if you put them in there. So then I looked at the hinges. They didn't seem adjustable. So I talked to the guy who runs a body shop. And I'm like, hey, so what can we do about this? And he goes, no, one of my guys can do it, but you got to bend them. Just like, I don't know if you ever worked on truck doors that fit. Put a piece of wood in there, and you rock on the door and you get it to where it fits right?
That metal.
Okay, I don't really want that happening to my car. So I had that problem, and the other problem that I picked up recently, there's a squeak in the seat. So when I hit a bump, kind of squeaks. But what I'm saying is when I drive the car, I'm thinking, this is a typical Chrysler. You know what I mean? But this thing goes like you wouldn't believe. It's like I remember when I got it, my cousin says, because I usually get tired of a car in a couple of years and I want a new car. And he goes, when you start feeling like you're tired of it, just go tickle the throttle. And he's right. He's right. I mean,
Are you tired of it yet?
No. All you got to do is go drive it, and you just accelerate just a little bit. And then we're at this car show. It was an all Chrysler car show. So the shop foreman Jimmy went with me, and it's just all basically Challengers and Chargers, all new, within probably 5-6 years old. A bunch of Hellcats there. There's a couple of Demons there or whatever. So AFE? Yeah, AFE. They had those air filters. So Jimmy's like, oh, you got to put one of those on your car. You got to put one of those on your car. And I'm like, why do I need to put that on my car? And he goes, I think you'll hear the supercharger. It'll sound louder. So we went and looked at him, and the one, he had an encased box. He goes, no, I don't think you want that one. You want the one that's open. I'm like, all right. And so the guy's telling me, oh, this is going to bring more horsepower. I go, dude, the thing's got over 700 horsepower. I'm 54 years old. How much horsepower do I need? And so he's like, well, I said, no, I just want to put it on there, and hopefully it'll make this sound that I want it to make. So we put it on there, and the cool thing is the hood has a bunch of vents in it, to let heat out. Well, the air filter's right under there, so you install that thing right there.
Sucking right from it.
So it's actually supposed to suck from the headlight. Yeah, the old one would draw air, and if you put the closed box, it would draw from the headlight, and that's simply a vent to let hot air from the hood out. But it sits right over the air filter. So when you run this car, right before the exhaust opens up. So you're loading it so you can hear the blower starting to whine. And before the exhaust opens, because then you don't hear the exhaust super loud, it makes the coolest whining sound, just like an old blower on a car, like it just whines. But then if you get into it real hard, then the exhaust opens up, and then that kind of gets drowned out because you hear the exhaust is so loud. But my wife, she doesn't like driving in the car. She says your car's a pain in the butt because it's lowered. You know what I mean? You got to go through the speed bumps and all, and you got to park in a certain place. She's like, I don't want to take your car, right? Let's just take my car. So the other day, for some reason, we had to take my car, and she goes, I don't remember it making this noise before. She's talking about the blower making that noise, and she goes, why does it make that noise? That sounds different. I go, because that air filter thing I put on there. She looked at me, she's like, why would you do that? Like to make it make noise? I go, doesn't it sound cool? And she's like, not really. It just sounds loud. And I remember
that's cool.
I remember the first day after I put it on, right? So I'm driving to the shop. And you know how they wear Bluetooth in your car, right? Mm-hmm. So Jimmy's on the phone with me, the shop foreman. He's the guy that went to the car show with me. So I'm asking him how things are going at the shop, and I said, I'm on my way. I need this done, and there's everything going right. And he's like, yeah. He goes, you know what's even better though? He goes, when you're driving, I can hear the blower on your car. You know what I mean? The windows are up, but he can hear when I hit the
That's
throttle.
the most important part of it.
Right. It's like, it doesn't matter if we're not getting our jobs done. It's really cool that worked.
I can hear it.
Yeah, that I can hear the blower on the car. So I would say it's been I love the car. I do.